let me tell you, book reading in itself is an art, right? You can, you don't have to also many a times read each and every word in the book. Actually, you can develop the art of reading books faster and in a faster and better manner. But there is no substitute to reading good. To all the students, I would actually very, very strongly recommend one book, one author rather, with which they should never miss. And this author is Dale Carnegie, right? How to make friends and influence people, right? That is one. And secondly, how to stop worrying and start living. These two books one should never miss in life. And first book, quintessential personal development books of the time. I very strongly believe that no one in this world, at least for the times to come, will be able to write a book better than what Dale Carnegie had written so many years back, right? When Dale Carnegie himself did not have an inkling that technology will develop so fast, networking will become so easy for that matter with the technological tools available. During those times, he was a visionary, and whatever he said actually is true even today. So students should not miss these two books. Rather, these two books are something they should have in their library. I have been personally benefited by Norman Lewis's books, which actually gave me a lot of professional skills. So have a target for yourself. If not many, at least 2 books a year. And then what you also start doing is you start maintaining that, well, this is one book by this author, by this publisher. I read 10 points of that book. And whenever, 2 years down the line, if you actually have a relook at what I do is today is that, I take a lot of books from my library even today, and I tell my librarian that, well, give me a list of last 6 months, the books that I got issued. And that way I have a ready-made database available with me. I very proudly display that on my, office board that, well, these are the 10 books that I have read. And I also quote them. So 1 book, 2 books, start with a book, and I think you will see a transformation in your lives.